to Atwood Lake Park last week with T&T RVing, Tina and Tony, and we had a great time. And we went for the Oktoberfest that they have every year, and of course they have the car show at the end, and that's one of Duane's favorites. But we just love to go. It's our second year in a row. But today I just want to talk to you about water. And as you can hear in the background at our house, it's raining. I'm up under the eave, and Stella's out running and playing and whatever in the rain. She loves the rain. There are three main things that we use with our water when we camp. And we started this process just by watching YouTube videos and how important that campground water can be. Not all campgrounds have good water. We've heard stories where people are getting all types of bugs in the water and get extremely sick. So we started looking into it. Number one, most RVs have a water filter in your RV, so that does help. And number two, a lot of campgrounds do have good water. I feel sure Atwood probably did have good water, but we do the same things every time. Well, there's four things. So number one is your RV filter. So that's just naturally in there. And you should change that filter probably every year. The second thing is when you hook up to the faucet, you should have a water cylinder that you hook right into the faucet, and that filters your water. And it really, for the most part, does a really good job. And you should also change that out every year as well, just to make sure that the filter is in good shape. The next thing is, it has to do with water. It's not the drinking part, but it's the pressure of the water. So we bought a pressure gauge because sometimes your water pressure is not good and you have to turn it up, the gauge up, so you can get more pressure, like when you take showers. Or it's too high and you can keep it from getting too high. So we have a pressure water gauge on there. But the third thing that we have that a lot of people don't have because of the price of it, the other two things are pretty reasonable. The third thing is our Berkey. So we, after watching several channels about 5 years ago, we decided to invest in a Berkey. And they have travel Berkeys, which some people use those, but you have to constantly refill. This Berkey we can use at our home. And then I have a special case for it, and I put it in the case, and we use it every place we ever go camping. And so it filters out a lot of bacteria. So those are pricey. This filter, this Berkey for us cost about $350. But what a great investment for us. I mean, I know we've had at least 5 years, maybe longer. All three of those are on Amazon, and I will link, because we have a store with Amazon, and I can link those three. And that's what I do. I've gone to other RV channels, and we've gotten quite a lot of things on Amazon. So we went ahead and put up a store ourselves. So I'm going to put some pictures, a little bit of video of Atwood. I filmed quite a bit of when we were there last year, so I didn't do that this year, but I will link that video at the end of this video. And we hope you maybe, I know this is a good camping weekend for a lot of people, but if you can hear the rain, it is pouring the rain. And Duane was working today, and I went to a festival here in our neighborhood, which I sold raffle tickets. So I'll let you see the rain. This is our backyard. And if you can imagine about 13 or 14 deer back here, we have had them. I'm going to head on in, and I hope you enjoyed a little bit of what we saw last weekend. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We are so close to 1,000. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It will help our channel. You can share it with your friends and just become part of our community. We have a lot more adventures to go. Love you guys. Bye-bye.